Uh-oh, get it. Get that fork.
Get your fork, you freak.
She's gonna take it.
I got it.
She's gonna eat it. It smells like beef.
No. Chad. I think it's hard. Little key.
Oh, so nice. You love it? Give Chad a big piece of chocolate.
No, stop. They can't eat chocolate.
I know, that's why I wanted you to give it to him.
All done.
Okay, now you guys have at it. That's crazy.
Oh, they're gross. Oh, they're sharing.
There's still
Oh, look at Smokey.
I want to sound like that.
Chad, turn around.
You guys made a mess. Callie, can you pick up the plate?
Hey, look.
There's still food on there.
Yeah, guys, there's some food on there. They made a mess.
Smokey loves the corn.
Yeah, they ate it. They made a mess in the home.
Ah.
Dad, share some with Smokey. Oh, he's not sharing some.
Shocking. Smoke, there's food right there.
Smoke, I hear.
She doesn't like mushrooms for some reason.
Oh, that's not. Not.
Chad,
Mommy,
Chad, mushroom.
where's the mushroom? He likes it.
Everybody likes mushrooms except for Smoke. Chad.